In this video, we will show you how to replace your outside mirror glass on this Ford F-150. You'll have mirror glass in each one of your outside mirrors, and the process is the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To gain access to the mirror glass, you can carefully tilt the mirror out and away. Now before we start removing this, I like to use some masking tape or painter's tape across the glass. We're going to have to pry this away, and we don't want it to break or flake off and potentially hit us in the face. You can use several strips for this. Now, of course, we have hand and eye protection. We're going to be using a plastic trim tool because we don't want to cause any damage to our plastic on our mirror here. Go ahead and carefully start pivoting that mirror glass. We'll make our way in and behind this area and gently start prying it away. Try to get towards the center of the glass. If you find that you're having a hard time gently prying this out of place, it's typically due to the small locking ears that are located along the back side of the mirror glass. If you can't get it apart with the plastic trim tool, you could carefully use an angled pick, try to get around one of the locking ears, separating it, and then gently pull the glass out of place. Just gonna try to pop that. So I'll just try using this plastic behind here. Now we can gently pry it away. There it is. Looking along the back side of the mirror, you can see those locking ears that I had mentioned. Go ahead and set that aside. Now that we have that separated, let's clean and inspect the area. I'm just going to use some glass cleaner on a clean rag. This is the mounting area for those locking ears. You want to confirm that there isn't any damage. We'll also clean inside this area. It's common to have some dirt or miscellaneous debris. Okay, let's prepare to install our mirror glass. Looking along the back side, we have those locking ears. We want to make sure those locking ears are going around this center circle. Once you feel as though you have it in the proper positioning, we'll carefully start pressing it in, listening for a click. When you press it in, you want to try to be around the center of the mirror glass, never around the outer edges. That's where you can cause damage. Let's press that in. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing we want to do is have this in the original position, and then you want to set it to your preferences. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.